FT3 model bundling packing machine for toilet tissue and kitchen towel automatically. Completes produce from the automatic feeding, arranging, opening the bag, filling into the bag, inserting angle and sealing, running in a high speed. It is popular in paper industry. It adopts full servo technology. Touch screen and PLC control system. Parameters are set conveniently and quickly. With the world's first 180-degree flip system, vertical and horizontal packing are available. This machine is designed to have various specifications format changeover between toilet, roll and kitchen towel. It thanks to the advanced double-layer arrangement system. Many packing styles and wide packing range size. 2 lanes, 3 lanes and 4 lanes are all available.